dodging raindrops here, and so there it is. As you can tell, I'm standing right next. I need to create a name for this truck. Standing right next to it without a trailer, but why? Because well, it's Labor Day weekend, that's one, but I haven't like done very many loads. That's the reason why I haven't been real active this last week or so. I was like really active when I first got the truck, and then the last couple of weeks I've just been doing some local stuff and really not a lot of that. So I'll tell you guys what I've been up to, and then I will tell you what my plans are with the truck. I do have some plans with the truck and the trailer, things I want to show you guys on the channel here. But so what I've been doing this last couple of weeks, just some local stuff, and quite frankly, that's all I'm really going to do over this next couple of weeks at least. The reason why this coming next weekend here, September 6th and 7th, we're going up to the Big Iron Classic Truck Show and Truck Pool. I think I got that straight. September 6th and 7th up in Casson, Minnesota. I want to see if I can get me a daggone cold. I looked on the weather forecast. It's going to be chilly. I'm going to dress accordingly. Hey, I'll welcome it. It's been a long summer. But we will not be taking this. I know a lot of you guys will be saying, well, why don't you just take a load up there? So this truck has been sitting for like a long time, and I'm still trying to get the bugs out of it. Not only that, the trailer's old too. The trailer is the next thing I need to get up to Oklahoma City. I did go up to Oklahoma City this last week. I wish I would have filmed it. The main reason why I didn't, because I just was going to go take someone else's trailer up there, drop it off, and that's it. Turn around, come back. I was just wanting to make a real quick trip with that. Turns out the owner of TRC Freight was there. I was like, darn, I wish I would have brought my camera. That way we could get get him on camera and do some promos and stuff like that. So anyway, I'll look to see him probably here again here in the next few weeks. If not, we were sitting there talking, he may go up there to that truck show. If that's the case, I'll have my cameras up there then. If not, then we'll have someone else there. Me and another guy. We'll talk about the truck show here after a bit. A little bit more things I'm gonna do. But talk about what I've been doing, the reason why I haven't been filming local stuff. I haven't been doing a lot of it though. I've been trying to get caught up with the Bonehead Truckers stuff. I did fall behind on some things, and that's the thing when driving, it does take out some time with the Bonehead Truckers stuff. So I had to get ahead of that, and then some other things, truck stuff, pickup truck stuff. I'm taking a pickup truck up there, but I'm wanting to work out the bugs on this. Truck's been sitting for a long time. This is an old truck. It's 10 years old, but it's only got 400,000 miles on it. And I just need to run it. You know what I mean? I just need to take it up to Indiana, or maybe run it out to Florida or something, out to Georgia, just an out and back. And that's really all I want to do. Like I'm gonna be doing some local stuff, but I also need to do some out and back stuff. I'm not going to just be all over and stay out weeks at a time. Spend a couple of nights out a week, maybe. Not every week though. I like doing the local stuff. I'm finding some good local patterns around here, local runs around here that suits me fine, some regular stuff. One of them is one of the loads I did on this channel. I can't remember if it's the last one or whatever, but those loads pop up every week, and I may just do those every week. So yeah, just trying to get the bugs out of this and all that. My plans with this truck and the trailer, if you notice, it's plain. It's white, it's plain, there's nothing going on here. And I look to change that. We're probably going to get some wrap, some promo wrap, TRC Freight, especially on the trailer. With the truck, I really would like, and I hadn't even brought this up to the owner of TRC Freight yet, but I really want to do like an American flag or real patriotic thing with this. Now, I know it's been done before with other YouTubers where they have taken, there's one where they took a W9 and they put a lot of military stuff on there. And that's cool because TRC Freight is founded by the, by veterans and all, but I'm not a veteran, so I think I could probably kind of do the cross, right? If we could really make this patriotic, I think it'd be a great thing, just American flag, American stuff. And I think it'd be great. Not really for sure if we want to wrap it or just put some vinyl in places. I don't know. Or keep it white, and I don't know. But the trailer, on the other hand, I will have some logos on there. The Bonehead Truckers logo will be on there. TRC's logo will be on there. The Truckers mattress, which I haven't really talked about that much here on this channel, that much. And Jake Brake Jerky. And then possibly some of the other ones like Blue Tiger, DAT, RTI, or RTS, excuse me. Just thinking about the trucking company. Don't work for that company. I don't work for them. I'm not saying don't work for them. I'm saying I don't. And it's like one of the reasons why we wanted to do this is to put the name out there, have a billboard out there driving around, and then all that. So right now it's plain. No one, they see this truck and they say, oh, just another white truck with a white trailer. So hopefully that'll change. Maybe next year. We're not in a big hurry for that. That's not on the top of the priority list. For me, the top priority list for this truck is to get all the bugs worked out of it. That way I can confidently take it to truck shows. Speaking of truck shows, I mentioned the truck show up there in Minnesota. We're going to be up there representing Bonehead Truckers, obviously, but TRC Freight and Jake Brake Jerky. I haven't really talked about that much here or anywhere. It's real new, but I will, and you'll see us there this coming weekend. And look forward to that. I'm looking forward to that. I really am. It kind of came on like when was it? Last Wednesday or Thursday last week. That's when it kind of like, Eric Cornelius called me up, says, hey, let's go to the show. Like, Minnesota, doggone. Like, started thinking about it, and I was like, let's do it. So Big Rig Tees is going to be there, but I'm not sure if Alex Asian Ma is going to be there. So we'll see. I think he was there last year. Another truck show coming up is in Nacogdoches, Texas, which is just like an hour away from me or something like that. So I'll go to that one. Here, Tony Justice is going to be at that one. So one other thing before I go, and this is kind of more personal for me, and I'm kind of putting this on video, is that going and editing this video is I could just see, man, that guy that I'm editing, that guy's fat. And I've touched on this on videos before on here, but I'm challenging myself for 1 year. So September 1st of 2025, I want to lose 100 pounds. I'm 6'4", 300 blah blah pounds. Really, I don't know. I haven't got on a scale. I'm too scared to. I'm challenging myself. So September 1st, 2025, I want to lose 100 pounds. So I'm doing this that way you guys can kind of help keep me motivated, because I need that. I need anything I can get, because listen, I'm 46, and losing that much weight at my age, it just gets harder and harder. When I was in my 20s, losing weight was easy. Like I'd put on 40 pounds and I like lose it in a day. Not quite that much, but you know what I mean. I wasn't even 300 pounds in those days though, so yeah, getting old sucks, but getting fat and old sucks. Suckser? Is it suckser? Sucks more. Suckser. I like suckser. I like that. We should patent it. We should trademark that, suckser. So yeah, trucking videos here coming up. I mean, I'm gonna be filming the truck show, so hopefully you guys stay tuned to that. And then after that, we'll get to blogging again. And you guys really love those 360 shots, So I'm gonna get a little bit more creative with that. I appreciate all you guys' support, but yeah, TRC Freight, TRC and me, 88% owner operators. Oh, one more thing. Oh man, because I know a lot of people click off when I start promoting stuff. Speaking of TRC Freight, they own Retransport, and Retransport has a dedicated account out of Tulsa. I think it's in the Tulsa area, going up to Pennsylvania, over to Michigan, and then back down into Oklahoma. I'm not sure if it's back to Tulsa or not, but it's coming back down. And so, and on top of that, they're about to add 10 trucks. So they haven't added them yet, but I think within a month they should have them. And so I'm not saying you have to be in the Oklahoma area, but they really prefer people out of the Oklahoma area. But apply anyway, because listen, if you live out in the truck, if you live in the truck, if you're OTR, they want, and you say you live in Tennessee or Florida or South Carolina or Georgia or Texas, wherever, Michigan, if you live away from Oklahoma and you want to, but hey, listen, you don't have a house like I have a house, and you just live out there on the road, hey, come on over there. Or if you're fine with dropping your personal vehicle off in Oklahoma City on your home time and driving home or flying home or whatever, that's the main reason. They want, during your off time, your home time, they want the trucks to be at the yard there in Oklahoma City. So given that, TRC and me is the same place you could apply. Just look at the company driver's side. 88% for owner operators at TRC Freight. You choose your loads, and I said this in a promo. I'll say it here. I'll expand on it a little bit more, and I'm gonna get Josh, the owner of TRC, to explain it, because he's been in the truck business for a long time, especially in the dealership setting. And so if you're like just buying a truck right now, just becoming an owner operator, if you're looking to become an owner operator and you're looking for a company to go to, you want to have a company to go to before you pay for a truck. You got to have a game plan. Consider TRC Freight, run under our authority, and then, pick your loads. We'll teach you how to call brokers and all that kind of stuff. There's a little bit of an art to it. Some people are really natural at it. Some people, it takes a little bit of time. And so I'm one of those guys that takes a little bit of a time for me. So, yeah, so if you want to, kind of, I wouldn't say have your hand held, but they offer that. They'll help you, if you're a new owner operator. All right. And they haven't really put this out here. I'm putting it out there for them. I'm giving them work to do. Okay. I'm giving them work, but run under their authority. Let them cover the back office, because all that can be really intimidating when you're first buying your truck, because now you're buying your truck. Now you need to focus on making money and saving money and, saving on fuel and doing all that trucker stuff. And then you got this other back office stuff. Let TRC Freight handle that, and you could handle your, other costs. And you're learning at the same time, you're learning. And then hey, if you want to get your authority, have TRC be that stepping stone. Okay. It's a good learning thing. It really is. So, hey, just it. All right. So that's done. We're done. I hope to see some of you guys up there in Minnesota this next weekend. And, hey, don't be on Bonehead Truckers. Just don't end up being on Bonehead Truckers. That would suck. It would sucker. That would suck, sir. Suck, sir. That's the word. Suck, sir. 73.